Everyone factoring into snow watch. Well, it looks like we're going to be seeing some wintry conditions coming into the north and west of the country through the course of today. And then things could get a little bit more widespread in the west and the southwest, maybe into the Midlands as we go through later on this afternoon, into evening and into tonight. There's quite a bit of discrepancy considering this is only a few hours away now. Quite a bit of discrepancy between models. I'll show you the charts in a moment. Before I get on with that, though, just to say about the ads, there's links to articles on most pages at GazWebBiz.com. You can have a look at the widgets. You'll be able to see if there's any articles that you're interested in. If there is, just click through. You'll be able to go off and read those articles. They'll take you to the websites. And by doing that, you'll be having to support GazWebBiz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. So this is the latest radar picture from the website weatheroutlook.com, and we can see that got some heavy rain clearing the southeast. That's the rain from yesterday, gave a thorough soaking across southern parts of the country through yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening. That's going off, and then we're opening the door to the cold west to northwesterly wind. Now, I've got some heavy rain coming in towards parts of Wales and southwestern England, and the pink colours here showing snow showers over much of Scotland, and they're beginning to dig down into Northern Ireland as well. Those snow showers will get more widespread in the north through the course of today as this area of rain pushes further northwards and eastwards across England and Wales, becoming more showery and introducing very cold air behind it. It's behind this rain that the coldest of the air is digging in. Now, this is the high resolution Euro 4 precipitation type forecast. This is for midday today. This is a UK Met Office product. The BBC forecast, rainfall forecast, precipitation forecast you see on the telly, are based on this model. So at midday today, so we've got heavy snow showers there across many parts of Scotland coming down in towards Ireland. That area of rain, sleet and snow is shown up very nicely across Wales and southwest England, starting to push further eastwards as we go through to 6 o'clock in the evening. The Euro 4 weakens bad off. We do have some light snow there across parts of northern England, and there's still some around Wales, but not a great deal happening at 6 o'clock in the evening. That's in contrast to the GFS heavy snow showers up across Scotland. As we go through to midnight, though, things pep up, and again the GFS doesn't really see this pepping up going on. So at midnight the snow is becoming more widespread there across Wales, extending in towards the Midlands, some central parts of England as well, going down towards, say, the Bristol area. So around the M4, the suggestion is that some snow could be coming through, and heavy snow showers still going on for Scotland and many parts of Ireland and Northern Ireland as well. At 6 o'clock in the morning, again we've still got that area of snow down across parts of Wales and going down in towards the south and west Midlands, also extending in towards some central southern parts of England too. Some snow showers for northern England, snow showers for Northern Ireland, and also snow showers across Scotland, though they're beginning to ease down, certainly in intensity across Scotland. This is the total snow accumulation chart up to 6 o'clock in the morning. Quite a lot of snow up over Scotland, plenty of cover also for parts of Ireland as well, some for northern England, and then interestingly, particularly down across Wales, we've got quite a bit of snow cover at 6 o'clock in the morning. That does extend through in towards the west and southwest Midlands and going down into parts of southwestern England away, of course, from the coast. So the Euro 4 seeing this really is a west issue in terms of the snow coming up today. Now, having a look at the GFS, see how that deals with things. This is the synoptic pressure chart from the latest GFS model for 6 o'clock this evening. We've got this cold westerly flow coming through across the country. That continues up to 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. It'll be an icy start across many parts of the country tomorrow. So there's that area of snow at 6 o'clock in the evening. It's pushed in from southwest England, Wales, up in through the Midlands and into northern England. Quite extensive there, and the Euro 4 isn't really seeing this pushing through towards northern England at that time. So, I say discrepancies really between the extent of the snow risk later today across northern parts of England. And then as we go through to tonight, when the Euro4 is pepping things up in the west and the southwest, actually the GFS is quietening things down, and it's turning mainly dry away from those western coastal fringes, although more rain, sleet or snow possibly coming in towards southwestern parts of England, South Wales by the end of the night. But generally the precipitation isn't as widespread tonight as the Euro4 is indicating. After that, of course, all eyes are on the storm. Here it comes at 6 o'clock in the evening on Wednesday tomorrow, bearing down on us again, very deep area of low pressure, bringing severe gales in across the country. And Thursday still looking a very rough day, particularly again focused for much of Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland. Some really damaging winds possible there. The snow or precipitation type forecast, the snow type forecast from the weatheroutlook.com, finally from the GFS model, shows how things could develop through the course of the day. So this is the midday day, the snow showers up in the northwest across Scotland and come down into Northern Ireland. There's the rain and snow risk coming into Wales and southwestern parts of England. We go through to 3 o'clock this afternoon. That's pushing through into the Midlands with outbreaks of rain going through the Midlands, turning increasingly to snow across Wales and extending into northern parts of the Midlands as well. And then a line of snow setting up through Wales, through the Midlands, in towards Lincolnshire and Yorkshire as we go through into 6 o'clock this evening. And there's a suggestion of some wintry showers perhaps to the south of that, snow showers up to the northwest, but it's really that line through Wales and northern parts of England down into the Midlands that could get something up to 6 o'clock in the evening. And then things start to quieten down as we go on into 9 o'clock up to midnight. The snow showers are dying back to the coast. Remember, this is the time when the Euro4 is suggesting that things pep up across the southwest through Wales, parts of West Midlands, southwestern England away from the coast as well. But the GFS not really seeing, and it does bring some more snow showers in towards Wales and southwestern England, perhaps up to 3 o'clock in the morning, but not really the same intensity or as widespread as the Euro4 is seeing. So quite what's happening tonight, it's still a little bit uncertain. But the general idea is that the snow showers are going to get more widespread through the course of today. They're going to start to push inland. So by the time we get through to late this afternoon, this evening, Wales, Midlands, Northern England could certainly be at risk of some snow showers coming through. Maybe even emerging to give some longer spells of wintry conditions as well. There could be accumulations with this, certainly across parts of Wales and southwest England over the hills and moors, not around the coast of course, but around the hills and more southwest England through Wales into the West Midlands. There could be some accumulations of covering of snow possible, and also for parts of Northern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland obviously at risk of some quite heavy snow with this as well. I can tell you that beyond this, after the storm has cleared through, the models have trended colder this morning. It looks like it could be setting up quite a prolonged cold spell. I'll be discussing this in the video coming up on the homepage later on today. The ECMWF has churned out a really cold run this morning, and overall this could be the start of quite a prolonged cold spell setting up. So a lot to discuss in the video later. Come back for that. That's all for now, and thanks very much for watching.